Welcome to Mysteries of the Deep, where we'll embark on a captivating journey into the hidden wonders of the ocean. In the coral kingdoms, life flourishes as vibrant clownfish play hide and seek.
This documentary-type video is created with a free AI video generator tool. This tool is not limited to just these types of videos. You can take a look at a bunch of videos generated by other users with this free AI tool. So in today's video, I will show you a step-by-step process to create a documentary-type video with this free AI tool called PicLabs. Also, I will share a method to convert your image into a video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and press the bell icon to get the latest updates from my channel. So, without further delay, let's get started. Click on the link given in the description and go to this page. Click on the Join Beta button, and you will be directed to this Discord page. Create a new Discord account or just sign in with the account using your email and password. Verify that you are a human. Click on this Accept button and again verify the CAPTCHA. You will be directed to the home page of PicLabs Discord server. Here you can read this Getting Started guide on how to use it. We will use a single dash rather than two to write the extra information such as aspect ratio. You can also follow these steps to get the most out of this tool. Here we have different servers just like in any other AI tool. We will create our private server in just a few minutes. Here you can see the work of other creators. Let's try it. Go to this server or any other. Type /create. And then press Enter or the Tab key. Now write down any prompt. Let's say, a tiger sitting on a tree. Give a space, and type a single dash, and write AR as the aspect ratio of 16:9. Press the Enter button, and wait for some time. Here we have our final video. That's amazing. Currently it allows a clip of only 3 seconds. Click on this icon to generate different variations of this video. Here we have another one. Let's create a private server to create a simple documentary video. Click on these 3 dots and choose the Create Thread option. Give your server a name. Now type any random message here. Click on these 3 dots and choose the Open in Full View option. Here we have our private server, so we don't need to scroll it up and down. Let's try to create a video of an elephant walking in a jungle. Here we have the final result. These results are incredible. Let's try to create a complete documentary video. For that, we first need the script. Go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write a short script for a documentary about sea life narrated by David Attenborough. Press the Enter button. Here we have a complete script. Let's improve this script by asking ChatGPT to include these animals in the script so that we can create clips around these animals. Here we have a detailed script. Let's keep it short and precise by putting this prompt. That's great. Let's convert the whole script into a single paragraph. That is our final script. Let's generate the voiceover for this script. I am using 11 Labs for this purpose. You can watch my previous videos about this tool. I have added a cloned voice of David Attenborough. Copy the script and paste it here. Click on the Generate button and wait for some time. Here we have the voiceover for this script. Let's download it. So, I have generated these clips by putting simple prompts as I have explained to you earlier. Here we have the clips. You can generate more and more based on your project. Click on this download button to download all of them one by one. After combining all the clips, I finally generated this short clip. Let's have a preview.
Welcome to Mysteries of the Deep, where we'll embark on a captivating journey into the hidden wonders of the ocean. In the coral kingdoms, life flourishes as vibrant clownfish play hide and seek, while the majestic blue whale glides serenely through this bustling underwater metropolis.
Here comes an interesting part of this video, generating a video from an image. I have generated this simple image using Leonardo AI and used the DreamShaper fine-tuned model for this image. Now create this simple prompt. As the image contains fish, I have typed this. Click on this button, select the image, and upload your image. Press the Enter button and wait for some time. Here you can see the final video generated from the image. So you can take advantage of this free tool to generate some cool videos. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching it. See you soon with more exciting stuff.